up, YouTube? We're here in the base shed. We're gonna unbox some Skar Audio Ix. These are dual 4s. Build a box for them. So I did a build with these before. There's a video on it, my YouTube channel. There's a budget build in my wife's car, and the thing's fucking slammed, dude. The ones in my wife's car I had hooked up to Rockford Fosgate 500-1. Prime. It was a prime amp. So let's unbox this. These are $39.99. In my wife's car, I would put people in it, play it for them, and then have them guess what size subs I had. Some people said a 12. Some people actually said 115. Somebody said 2 10s. Nice and loose, very low power. They say 150 watts RMS power handling. These two will be going on a Skar SK 501, the mini amps. But push terminals, normal, standard. You guys can see this. There, hold on. Here we go. Kind of stiff, a little loose. Like I said, low power handling. Kind of reminds me of the SDR basket. Little cheap stamped steel. There is a copper coil in there. Standard push terminals. Single tinsel leads. Little single slug baby magnet. Pole venting. That's the booty. Nothing much, man, but I like these subs. The only thing is that sucks is, like I talked about in my other video, is the terminals are like in the way of having a nice, you know, just circle cut. What I did in my wife's car is I soldered direct leads onto these. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to try and do the little knobby cut out, but it just sucks. I wish they would have tucked them in somehow. But yeah, it's just a quick unboxing. If you're interested to see how these play, you can check out my video that I did in my wife's car, and I'm doing a build video on this box. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and bass on.